American Eagle Outfitters was founded in 1977. Today, their core values include people, integrity, passion, innovation, and teamwork. AEO's social responsibility program, AEO Better World, says, "Who better to create the future we all want than American Eagle Outfitters customers?" They also remind us to live our lives, love our planet, and build a better world. But what are they doing? When researching American Eagle, we realized through a lack of resources, they aren't very transparent. We wanted to learn more, so we reached out in hopes of gaining information for this project. To start our search, we emailed AEO Better World on September 21st, 2017, and still have not gotten a response in over 70 days. Then we called, tweeted, and direct messaged them. In the end, we were led back to emailing betterworld@ae.com. So let's dive into the information provided by AEO Better World. Here are almost all of the projects they support. The Her Project and the Better Cotton Initiative are two projects that we believe in. The Her Project is a health initiative for women working in apparel factories. They educate women on topics ranging from reproductive health to hygiene. The Better Cotton Initiative is a program that creates a more sustainable cotton growing process. It helps the growers, producers, and consumers of cotton around the world. It also creates a more sustainable future for the cotton industry. Moving along, here's a list of countries where their factories are located. According to AEO Better World, they conduct pre-sourcing inspections of all factories. They build relationships with factories that include a full disclosure agreement. AEO states that if a factory fails to provide complete information and reports, then it will have serious consequences, which could include termination of contract. Furthermore, AEO Better World provides us this graphic of areas where their factories are non-compliant. On here we see they break their factories into 4 regions: Greater China, Americas, South Asia, and Southeast Asia. They also have 3 levels of non-compliance: 1 to 25%, 25 to 50%, more than 50%. According to the graphic, the areas of least compliance for both years are in multiple areas of health and safety and hours of work. This is not to say that there hasn't been improvement. However, we do not have access to recent data because this is only from 2011 and 2012. One of the biggest downfalls of AEO is communication. There are 4 main suggestions for change. Create an intersectional AEO Better World team that focuses on corporate social responsibility and supply chain management. Do not spread initiatives too thin. For 5 years, focus on the Her Project and Better Cotton Initiative, and then consider adding an additional project. Update the AEO Better World report on a yearly basis, especially factories audits. Take responsibility for your decisions as a company and communicate expected changes. Having an intersectional team will allow for a proper execution and avoid their current mediocrity. Narrowing the focus to 2 projects will create a greater impact and better image for the company. Updating AEO Better World is a chance to improve communication with the public. All of the suggestions are to hold AEO accountable within their own organization and to help them set them apart from the competition. Overall, our grade for American Eagle Outfitters is a D. To support our decision in the 2017 Fashion Transparency Index gave them a final score of 10% with traceability at a 1%. Their supply chain is not transparent, however their products seem to be higher quality, therefore we believe that supply chain transparency is not necessarily related to quality. If you say, we serve these young people in the better world they're creating, you put the pressure on your customers to create change. Now we pointed out what we want, and it's time for American Eagle Outfitters to step up to the plate.